Hi, everybody. This is Paparazzi Consultant 78292 Inga Masick over at Accessorize with Inga on Facebook. So I want to show you a really cool tool that we have at our Paparazzi accessory site. So when you go to my replicated website, which is the paparazziaccessories.com/78292, you're going to come here. And when you're ready to shop, you're going to go ahead and click on shop. So as you can see, there's lots of things you can choose from. You got your Z collection, your January fashion fix, all that great stuff, right? What you're going to do is as you roll down, you'll see something called My Showroom Designer. And so if you've shopped with me before, you've probably seen this and just continued to scroll on. It's like, I don't know what that is. But I encourage you to check this tool out. It's so cool. So it basically is a tool that's going to help you to figure out your jewelry style. Now listen, you are going to know what you like by what you see. However, this tool will help to pull up styles that really match with you. So my suggestion is always to try it out first and see, based on what it says, what are some of the styles that it has for you. I'm actually going to do a series of videos on just these styles. So once you figure out what your style is, you'll be able to go and watch some of the videos and see some of the cute things that I have in my inventory, but also what's in the back office and what's on my website. So how do you do this? So you're going to just go into where it says Design My Showroom. It's going to have 5 different questions. So for this one, we're just going to pretend and do one all over. So this says, which 3 traits best describe you? So you're going to look at polished, classic, and put together, edgy, confident, and sassy, bubbly, girly, and cheerful, daring, effortless, and trendsetter, or free-spirited, earth-conscious, and sentimental. So let's just do it for me. Like, let me tell you right now, I am all over the place. So I like everything. So I would say I probably would go with either edgy, confident, and sassy, or daring, effortless, and trendsetter. So I don't know, but do I dare? I dare. Let's do that one. All right, so then you get to pick a pattern that is your favorite, something that you would like to have in your closet. So when I look at all of these, I would say the one that I'm more than likely going to want in my closet would be this one. All right, so then the next question says, if it pulls up, or maybe it's not going to. Okay, so there you go. So when shopping for clothing, what do? Do you stick to pastels and buy multiple colors with the same top? Do you find something practical in your favorite neutral shade? Do you search for handcrafted designs? Do you seek out something completely new and a little adventurous? The funkier the better. Or do you pick up something with lots of attitude? Are you drawn to like darker colors and jewel tones and you can't resist the texture? All right, so like I told you, I'm all over the place. And so this is why it's hard, because you're like, So for this one, I'm going to do, let's just do any of them. Let's do which is really not me, but I don't want this video to go on for 3 hours, and it could take me that long to figure out what I like, because I'm telling you, every single time it's something different. So it says select the phrase that best describes your accessorizing technique. So let's just do any of this one. And then the shoes that you like the best. And then which pants would you wear? I'm definitely a jeans chick, so I would wear the jeans. Which purse would you choose? Definitely that one there. And which little black dress would be your go-to dress? And I would say for me, I'm not a leather person, but I like the style of that one. All right, so then it'll ask you which one of these pieces do you like the best? And I like all of them, so it would be hard for me to choose, but I'm going to go with, and actually I was going to go with another one, but let's see what it tells me. So after you do that, it's going to do its little calculating stuff. It's going to and try to figure out what you like, if it does it on here. So let's see. It's taking a little while to do it. It's taking some time, I'm going to need to cut this out of the video. Oh, and so it says, are you ready to see your showroom? So let's see what it will tell me. So it's then going to give me a pie chart that will help me to know which one is mostly my style. So for this look, it will tell me simply Santa Fe. And then these across the top, these are the different looks. And so our fashion fixes come grouped in these looks: Simply Santa Fe, Glimpses of Malibu, Magnificent Musings, Sunset Sightings, and Fiercely Fifth Avenue. And then based on this now, it's going to try to show me looks that are Simply Santa Fe. Or it would show me, you know, whatever one was the biggest on the pie chart, that's what it's going to show me. If you don't agree with it, go back, restart the quiz. What's great about this is then when you're shopping, you would be able to look at just the Simply Santa Fe pieces, or just, you know, the Magnificent Musings, or whatever those pieces are. You'll be able to look at those and they'll bring up things that would match that. So it would make shopping really easy. While I'm here, let me show you what's something very new that you should be excited about. We have an Encore section. These are the pieces that people keep asking us to bring back. And look, we've brought them back. So if you've not checked out my website lately, it's time to get over there and see all this cuteness. Remember, everything is $5. All of the necklaces come with matching earrings. Everything's nickel and lead free. And most importantly, it's fun and super easy to accessorize your look. Hope that's been helpful for you. And I can't wait to see you over in my VIP group. Join the VIP group. I give style tips, hacks, fashion hacks, and I'll get to know you a little better. Join our community over at facebook.com/groups/accessorize with Inga. I hope to see you there. Thanks. Bye, everybody.